Hey guys, this is some of the things that I have made from summer until now. You're looking at the back of the wrap dress and the bandana fabric. The next item is the pink bandana dress. Sleeveless, and you're looking at the back of the dress. This dress is a vintage dress, sleeveless, with the welt pocket and zipper front. This is the back of that dress. It has 3 tiers to it, and it's this wide types dress with a collar. And this is the retro suit top and pants. Halter type pant top. Pleats in the pants. And pockets. Sleeveless halter top, retro. Here's the back of the top. Hooking out here, and your buttons. Top and bottom are made out of linen fabric. And for those cool summer breeze, I added the bolero jacket to go with this outfit. You have that button there. And your sleeves. You're looking at the back view of the jacket. So here is the sweater, knit sweater with the pockets and the buttons down front. And the leggings. Closer view of the pockets. Here are the sleeves with a little flare at the bottom. Looking at the back of the jacket. And the leggings only took 15 minutes to sew. You don't have any zippers or buttons or any fastener or waistband. The waistband is elastic. The top fabric came from Moods, and the leggings knit came from Fabric Mart. Nice little quick outfit. This is a nice knit top combination. The top is supposed to be a close-fitted top with sleeves, and it um, comes just above your waist. The pants are the same as the white pants. The leggings, which is new look, 6439, is a fitted shirt, nice, quick, and easy. The little top has a twist to it. Here, two layers instead of one, and it's an easy top. Very easy. And the leggings are supposed to be worn below your waist. But if I make this top again, I will definitely be making it a little longer at the bottom portion, so it can just meet with the top of the pants or the leggings. This was a very easy pattern. The pants, like I said before, only take actually 15 minutes to sew up after you cut and prep your fabric. No zippers, no buttons, elastic waistband.